Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how you can record video clips and share them with your coworkers and team members on Slack really quickly using Slack. So let us get started right away. It is actually no rocket science, guys. What you want to do is head over to Slack, log into your account and select your workspace in the top left corner. And you can, for example, record screen recorded footage or scenes here from your display and share these with your team members or coworkers on Slack. For example, if you're recording an instructional video or something like that for a specific project. So this is how you can do it, guys. Head over to the channel where you'd like to share your video in, or let us head over to a chat, for example, for the sake of this tutorial. And here inside that chat or chat history, you will see the text box at the bottom, so you can communicate with your coworker or team member. So what you want to do is, instead of sending a message or typing it here, is click on that button below, record video clip. And after that, Slack will ask you for access to your webcam, for example, or to any other connected video recording devices like cameras or smartphones and so on and so forth. So you may do that, for example, and enable the camera by clicking on turn on camera here. You may do the same for your microphone by unmuting it, or you may upload a pre-recorded video with your smartphone, for example, if you saved it on your device, just like that. The third option, guys, would be to simply record a share or a screen shared footage by clicking on share screen here next to the record button. And after that, you'll be asked to select a specific recording source, like, for example, the current tab opened on Google Chrome or any other web browser, or for example, an application folder or software running on your computer, on your device. So let me go, for example, with Google Chrome as our source, just like that. So select it, click on share here, and after that, the recording will start. So you can record your screen and let your team members follow you or follow along your instructions here on screen while recording your screen. You can stop sharing by clicking on that button here, or start recording by clicking on that button there. And that's basically it, guys. To stop sharing, simply click on stop sharing here, and that is going to redirect you to the previous window. That's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.